Nature will, without a doubt, always be my biggest inspiration for my art. And there's so much around us all of the time, and it's so easy to get lost in day-to-day life and stay in your house, but just looking around and studying the natural world, I don't know, I could just never grow tired of it. Seeing my dogs play in the snow and their happiness and joy when I take them on hikes just reminds me of how beautiful and delicate everything really is. I painted this owl in a forest for a family member for Christmas, and they loved it. And just seeing their smile and surprise just makes me feel so good about my art. So, yeah, and especially when you guys comment and like my work and share my work and buy my art, it just makes me feel so good, as I'm sure many other artists feel this way. So yeah, I'm just really grateful.